In today's video, I will be showing you how to earn passive income again and again easily. I'll also show you examples of other people doing this method where they also earn passive income. That way we can get an inspiration of how to do it and it'll be easier for us to earn more money. What I also love about this is that this method is 100% free and this is available worldwide. I want you to stay with me until the end because I will be sharing important tips as we go along the steps. I don't want you to miss out on important details, so please be patient and don't skip any part of this video. What you only need to do is log into a website which is... But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks to help you make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever we post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now, let's get back to the video. The website which I will be showing you today is a search engine that scouts over 60 plus networks to provide you with affiliates and cost per action or CPA offers. This is a tool for affiliate marketers and bloggers that are looking for ad campaigns that they can promote. This website is none other than offervault.com. Again, this website is over at offervault.com. This is a marketplace where you can find thousands of offers. What you need to do is promote these offers, and if action is taken, you get paid. This site offers something we call CPA or cost per action. One of the main reasons why we are going to use this offer is because this is an advertising model where publishers are paid for an action that is taken as a direct result of their marketing. What this means is when you make an offer to someone, they don't need to pay a dime for it. They don't need to spend anything in order for you to get paid. It's easier to convince someone to sign up for a website than to buy something from a website. The amount you receive with this method actually depends on the payout rates of the website. So for OfferVault, you can see that they pay $1 or $10. They also pay out $35, $21, and they can reach up to $500. Now, in order to start with this method, we surely have to create an account first. To do that, I want you to click on this register button found at the top part of the page here on the left-hand side of your screen. You can see here that they said, "Thanks for visiting offervault.com. Please create an account on the right to gain access to all of our great features on the site." Okay, so here at the right side, I need you to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and you should create your password and confirm it. Under country, you can see that they have a lot of different countries and you should find your country here. If not, then I want you to comment down below which country you come from so I can make more videos that would work in your country. And here I need you to put in your Skype email address. If you don't have a Skype email address, then go over to skype.com and create an account. It's really easy to sign up for an account, so I won't walk you through that because it's just like creating a social media account. After filling this all up, click on Submit Now. After signing up, we then need to find offers to refer to other people. To do so, I want you to go back to offervault.com and right here, click on Categories. Under Categories, search for CPA because that's what we're here for. When you click on that, results will then be filtered and all of the CPA offers will show up here. Now, what we'll need to do next is select an offer that we could use to promote. Okay, so here is a very important part in the process, and that is... Hold up! If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. With that said, let's go back to the video. The very important tip which I will be sharing is that you should pick an offer which is available worldwide. You can see here that some of these offers are available to limited parts of the world. Like for example, this one right here is only available in Great Britain. The reason why we want to choose an offer which is available worldwide is so that we can get unlimited traffic. Because if we only limit it to some parts of the world, then of course you will have limited traffic, which means limited earnings. Alright, so I already picked one offer and this is a very great offer which I suggest you should also choose. I chose GoToMeeting Online Meeting Software CPA International. As you can see here, I chose something that is international. What I did was I just went to the search bar. I typed in international and a lot of offers showed up. I then chose what I like. Here you can see that the payout rate is $80 per CPA. And $80 is a lot. This is one of the highest paying CPA offers here on this website. You also don't need to worry about how to do this because I will be sharing a tip on how we can get a bunch of traffic. And I will also be showing you examples of people who are doing this so that there is actual proof that this method works. Now, I want you to keep in mind that people don't need to buy these offers in order for you to earn money, but all they have to do is sign up. Even though they will only sign up and they will not buy this software, which is GoToMeeting, this doesn't change the fact that you will earn money from it. You will earn $80 per sign up. Okay, now for the next step, we need to get a special affiliate link, our own affiliate link. So the people will click on it and then they will be redirected to the page, and since it's your affiliate link, then you will earn $80 for it. Okay, if you want to use this offer and if you want people to sign up to this website, then you must make them sign up here. As you can see here, their network is AffiliAds. I want you to click on Run Offer and it'll redirect you to the AffiliAds sign up page. I think you already know how sign-up processes work without my help, so I won't walk you through it, okay? And also, the offers here on OfferVault have different networks, so the sign-up process will be different depending on the network. Now that we already have an offer, we will need a traffic source. I want you to go onto youtube.com. But before we proceed, I want you to comment down below what country you come from so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that will be available in your country. That said, let's go back to the video. Okay, now some of you may start to get worried because I mentioned YouTube, but you don't need to worry because you won't be facing a camera. You won't be recording yourself. You won't make your own videos. To let you know what I mean, here's a sample. This video is about GoToMeeting versus Zoom. This guy is talking about the pros and cons of the application. And if you check here below, you can see that he has an affiliate link. That's what people have been doing. They add their affiliate links in the description so that the viewers will click it. Once they get redirected to that link and then they will sign up, this guy will earn money. And he's not the only one. If you search for online communication softwares on YouTube, then there will be a lot of results where people compare different sites with each other. And then you'll also find their affiliate links in the description below. So this method actually works. If you're asking how you will make the videos, you can just compile different videos from different people and compile it into one. Make sure to use the Creative Commons filter on YouTube so that you won't get copyright strike. All you need to do is use basic editing softwares and then you're good to go. If you don't know where to find one, then go over to google.com and search for basic editing softwares. And if you don't know how to use one, there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube which you can also search. There are a lot of other videos on YouTube which have affiliate links because there are also a lot of different offers on the internet, not only on offervault.com. So, what usually happens is these YouTubers, they put affiliate links below, but their affiliate links are from Amazon. And in Amazon, you only get up to 10% of commission. Usually, Amazon only give out 1% of the commission. And these bloggers, these YouTubers only gain money if and only if these people buy their product. Here on OfferVault, you don't need to sell anything at all. All you need is for people to sign up to the website and then you will earn money. Alright, now so in order for us to boost our views, there is a website which I will be showing you, and that is vfly.com. Make your YouTube video go viral. We help you get to buy quality YouTube views fast by showing them to the relevant audience. This website will help you earn a lot of views on your video. This will also help other people be redirected to your videos. Let me just tell you that this is actually a paid software, but this is very useful and this can help you a lot. So, what you'll need to do is just create a simple video. make sure that your video is related to your offer. Put your affiliate link in the description down below and then use vfly.com. Of course, vfly is optional, but this can help you a lot, and this might actually be one of the keys of your success in making money online. But this is a totally optional part of the video. If you have extra money, then you can actually invest by purchasing a plan, but you are not required to do so. And that's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.